Hi, welcome to Paper and Plates. My name's Natasha and I'm here because I want to bring you two of my favorite things, my love of baking and my love of fountain pens and everything to do with fountain pens. I went to the DC Fountain Pen Show for the first time last year, so 2017. And I learned that there is what I think is a pretty unexpected connection between gourmet chocolates and fountain pens. So people that collect fountain pens also tend to love gourmet chocolates. And I thought, well, maybe there too is a connection between fountain pens and baking. So I wanted to bring those two things together for you on a YouTube channel so that we can, if you love those two things like I do, we can share that love. So the way I plan to do that is to not teach you how to bake, because there are a lot of different YouTube channels and other resources that will teach you how to bake, but instead to take you on my journey as I learn to bake, because I'm not a beginning baker, but I'm not an expert baker. So there's a lot that I'll be learning to bake, and I'd like to document that, and so together we can learn to bake all kinds of different things. And also I would share my fountain pens and my collection with you, and as I continue to collect additional things, I would like to share those things and review fountain pens and fountain pen paraphernalia and document if I go to fountain pen shows. So that's why I'm here. So I would love any thoughts from you on things that you would love to see, but otherwise that's my introduction. So I hope that you will stick with me through this journey. I look forward to it. Thanks so much.